welcome to the studio. Today I'm very excited to share with you my latest make. This is the Judy dress from Fibre magazine. It is from their latest spring 2023 issue, and I am just so obsessed with her. So as you can see from the original pattern, I made quite a bit of changes to the pattern. I removed the sleeves for one. I also created a deep V-neck. I almost feel like I could have gone a little bit lower. I knew I was going to add length and make it a full maxi, and I wanted the deep V to kind of balance it out so it didn't look too grandma in this like fun floral bedsheet fabric. So I created the deep V. I feel like when it's on, I could have gone way lower. If I want to, that's not that hard of a fix to go back and change. But for now, I think she is good. Construction wise, so this pattern is drafted as a single layer bodice. I decided to line it because I wasn't sure how see-through the sheet fabric was going to be. So instead of a turned over placket here, this just sews straight up to the lining. And I will do a little bit closer of a video so y'all can see my gorgeous, fun buttons. Those are from Tabitha Sewer. They are so vibrant and cute. Also, I added length. So if I remember correctly, there is a cut line here for making the shorter version of the Judy dress. And I used that cut line as my connection point for my extra tier. And I started to calculate out this tier, but I ended up just using the full width of the sheet. So there's only one seam in this, and it's at the back. And I also saved myself some time and just left in the chunkier sheet hem at the bottom. I do love a chunky hem, so I feel like that worked out and I saved myself from having to hem it. And I really like the length where it is. It is a length that I feel like in the future I might end up cutting a little bit shorter to show a little bit more ankle and not be quite so like dramatic, like floating flower girl, but for now I'm gonna go with that vibe. She also has pockets. These were drafted into the pattern. I didn't add them, so the pattern includes pockets. And yeah, this is a bed sheet that I found from a estate sale ages ago. I still have more of it. It's super cute. I love the floral print. We all know I love florals. I'm actually really happy with how floaty it is. I was worried, for one, that the fabric was going to be too heavy, and for two, that the pattern didn't have like as much flow as I thought it would, and like adding the tier, I didn't think it had as much swing as it does, but it does, and I love it. And it's such a great, I'm calling it a wafting dress, where you could just like waft around the house and lounge on the couch with your dress skirt as your blanket and sip your tea or your aperitif before dinner and just have not a care in the world, which is a great summer dress to have, especially as the temperatures start to heat up here in South Texas. She's gonna get a lot of wear this summer. I can already tell you that. Also, I had a lot of fun shooting the video and pictures for this dress. I found a beautiful wildflower field. All the wildflowers are in bloom down here where we are, and I risked bug bites and stinging nettles to get some beautiful footage of this dress, and I think it turned out really great. So I hope you loved it as much as I did. And if you have any questions about this dress, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. I will be linking my personal link to download any of the patterns from this issue of Fibre Mood. It is an affiliate link, so I appreciate your support if you head over. The collection for this magazine, this issue of this magazine was really great. There was a lot of great patterns to choose from. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and you'll be seeing a lot more from me this year, hopefully, as I settle into the new studio and plan out some more regular posts for y'all. And I cannot wait to see what the new year brings here at the studio. Thank you so much for joining me. As always, happy sewing. Bye. Oh my God. My nails are disgusting. Why are you like this? Thank God it's not a zoomed in tutorial. Okay.